Navigating confusion. Understanding. I think we're lost. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the nuances of the English language to help you become more fluent and confident speakers. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's quite common but packed with meaning. I think we're lost. This simple statement can reveal a lot about the situation and the speaker's feelings. So, if you've ever found yourself wandering, either literally or metaphorically, this video is for you. Let's get started. I think we're lost. At first glance, this sentence is straightforward, but let's dissect it to fully grasp its meaning and usage. I think suggests uncertainty. The speaker isn't completely sure but believes something to be true based on the available information or intuition. We're lost indicates a situation where the speaker, along with one or more individuals, does not know their current location or how to reach their destination. It's a state of being misplaced or unable to find the way. Together, these components express a mixture of uncertainty, realization, and collective involvement in the situation. This phrase can be used in literal and figurative contexts. Literal use. When you're physically lost, perhaps while traveling, hiking, or navigating an unfamiliar city. Figurative use. It can also describe situations where you're confused or unsure about what to do next, not necessarily related to physical location. Examples. After wandering around for hours and missing our turn back there, I think we're lost. Trying to understand this new software without any guidance, I think we're lost. Saying, I think we're lost, can carry an emotional burden. It might convey feelings of frustration, anxiety, or vulnerability. Admitting that you're lost can be difficult, especially if you're responsible for navigation. However, it also opens the door for seeking help and cooperation to find a solution. In some cultures, admitting that one is lost might be seen as a sign of weakness or incompetence. In others, it's viewed as a practical acknowledgement of the situation, leading to collaborative problem-solving. Understanding these nuances is crucial, especially in a global context where interpretations can vary widely. I think we're lost is more than just a statement about geographical disorientation. It's a complex admission that blends uncertainty, communal experience, and the potential for emotional expression. Whether you find yourself lost in the woods or lost in life's metaphorical journey, remember that this phrase is a powerful tool for opening up pathways to understanding and assistance. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this exploration helps you navigate not only the English language but also the intricate human experiences it can convey. See you in our next video.